This is a demo of the pubnub command I made today, pair programming with Dave Nugent. Pubnub backed the Kickstarter campaign, so this command will be included with Xiki. Here's a demo page on their website. It's an extremely simple chat application. When you chat something, it publishes your message to a pubnub channel, and the chat outbox subscribes to that channel and just shows the messages. So basically, pubnub is about sending and receiving messages using the publish-subscribe model. So let's go to the standard shell window running bash and run the new pubnub command that Dave and I made today using Xiki. By default, it gives you a couple channels to mess around with. The first one is the chat channel that the web app uses. In Xiki, you can just move the cursor around using the arrow keys and then expand items by typing Control E, which you can see on the bottom. If we do Control E on one of the messages, it'll send it, and you can see it showing up in the web browser. And you can edit a message to customize it. You can see at the bottom of the terminal that Control Q will quit. Let's do that. So we just used our pubnub command to publish a message. Now let's use it to subscribe in this other window here. Let's expand chat and then the subscribe menu item. If we chat something using the web browser, we'll see it show up. And of course, if we use our command to publish it, we'll see it show up as well. Let's Control Q back to the shell and then type pubnub space chat to jump right to the chat channel. Then let's go to history and see the recent messages. I'll type HI to filter down, which you can always do in Xiki when you expand. Now let's just type pubnub and go down to the setup menu. You can jump to their web interface to grab your credentials and then paste them into the XikiConf. So pretty good for 2 people and an hour and a half of planning and coding. Here's the code for the menu. It's just 2 screens. You can see it's just the minimum possible code to make things work. Xiki commands get text as input and send text to the output, so they're really easy to code. This one's Ruby, but you can also do them in JavaScript, Python, and other languages. If you want to be able to use and create commands like this, back the Xiki Kickstarter. There are 4 days left, and we're 70% there. It's going to be close. Companies, check out the $10,000 reward category. It's a great opportunity to get a ton of appreciation and notice from cutting-edge developers. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support. It's been amazing. Also, check out my interview in the latest episode of the Changelog podcast.